Howdy guys, my name is Joe. I'm run First on Top SEO. We're a digital marketing and SEO agency located here in New Braunfels. I came across one of your work vehicles off of Highway 46 here in New Braunfels, and I decided I would look up your website, see if maybe we could help you out by gaining more customers by ranking it to the first page of Google. Just that's what we do. We help small business like yourselves to get more traffic going to their website, and in return more phone calls coming in wanting your services. So I just wanted to give you some information, help you to get started if you can on your own to rank your website. I got a couple of tips for you. And the first one, I just wanted to show you actually five different keywords that I put into this tool that we use called SERPtrack.io, and it gives us the rankings of your website according to these keywords. And the best keywords for your type of industry for roofing would be these five, and that would be New Braunfels roofing contractor, New Braunfels roof repair, roof install, roof replace, and roofing. Now, and all these keywords, you're not ranked on the first page. The one that's closest, which I believe I found your website on New Braunfels roofing, that keyword was on the bottom of the second page, which is all right. But like I mentioned, 85% of people looking for a certain type of business will use only those on the first page. And so this is what I wanted to help you with these couple of tips. So this is where you're ranked with these keywords in 29th, 27th, 50, 52nd place, and the 19th place. So that's pretty far back. So we want to get you closer up to the front, and if possible to the first page if you would want that. So the second thing Google looks at when determining how or where to rank your business is according to the metadata. So we use this other tool that extracts the metadata and shows us the title of it. And so this metadata is just a little brief bit of information that Google looks at in order to determine what you're trying to rank for, or exactly what city and what type of business you run. So the title of yours is Earnest Roofing, Texas Roofing and Gutter Contractor, which isn't bad. It tells the viewer that, this is the name of the business, Earnest Roofing. So that's not bad. And let me just show you what that metadata is as I go back to your website here. We'll log out or get out of it. And so the metadata is all this little blue little bit of information, these little words. That's your metadata, and that's what Google looks at when determining where to categorize your website on the web. So if you have that geared in, Google will see that and rank your website a little higher. So instead of having that Earnest Roofing, the best way to get Google's attention and results from them would possibly be putting New Braunfels Roofing Company, or New Braunfels Roofing Contractors, New Braunfels Roofing, those keywords that I mentioned in that SERPtrack.io. Those type of keywords are what Google looks at to help you rank your website. And the second one is similar to that, but it goes on to the actual web page, and that's your H1, H2, which is just the header that goes on your website. So the H1 for yours, or the header tag, is Earnest Roofing, which once again is the name of your business. But the best way to get Google's attention is just like the metadata. You want to match that pretty close to the metadata so that Google knows for sure what you're trying to rank for. So instead of putting your business name, you might start off by putting New Braunfels Roofing Contractor, New Braunfels Roofing, New Braunfels Roof Repair, etc., and then possibly putting your website or your business name after that. And so that's what Google looks at. And let me just show you on your website what I'm talking about when I'm speaking about the header. Let's go back to your website here, and it's the first thing that pops up onto the web page right there, Earnest Roofing. And so you want to change that right there in order to get Google's attention and to rank you a lot higher on their search engine. So that's just a couple of things I wanted to share with you. If you're interested, or maybe, like I said, you might have someone on staff that's able to do these little adjustments onto your website and get your website ranking a little higher. But if you need help in doing these things, we'd love to help you out. We love helping the local businesses around here. We deal with businesses all around the world. So when we were able to help a local business to grow, we really appreciate that. So thank you for your time. You have yourself a good day.